Want to travel light without leaving behind anything essential? I understand the desire for both lightness and preparedness. Packing light but smart brings a sense of calm and order to your travels. In this video, I'll share 4 essential packing hacks that will allow you to fit everything you need into a carry-on suitcase, eliminating the stress of checked baggage. Efficient packing is about maximizing space while keeping your belongings organized and accessible. It's about respecting your belongings and appreciating the opportunity to travel light. By adopting a mindful approach to packing, you can streamline your travel experience and focus on enjoying your journey. Let's begin. Let's start by transforming the way you approach your clothes. Instead of traditional folding, we'll embrace the art of rolling. This technique is about more than just saving space. It's about infusing your clothes with care and respect, even when they're tucked away. Lay out a garment like a shirt, flat on a clean surface. Smooth out any wrinkles, visualizing it finding its perfect spot in your suitcase. Fold the sleeves inward, creating a long rectangular shape. Now, starting from the bottom, begin rolling the garment tightly, as if you're creating a beautiful, compact scroll. As you roll, feel the fabric, appreciating its texture and the memories associated with it. This mindful approach transforms a mundane task into a moment of reflection. This rolling technique not only maximizes space, but also minimizes wrinkles, ensuring your clothes arrive at your destination ready to be worn. Imagine your suitcase as a treasure chest, and your valuables are the precious gems. Just as you'd carefully place the most important gems at the bottom of the chest, we'll do the same with your suitcase. Start by packing your shoes at the base. They provide a stable foundation for other items. Next, place your toiletry bag, ensuring it's securely closed to prevent any spills. Now it's time for your valuables, jewelry, electronics, or important documents. Nestling them at the bottom provides an extra layer of security and ensures they remain undisturbed throughout your journey. As you arrange these items, visualize them being safe and protected, arriving at your destination just as pristine as when you packed them. This visualization reinforces a sense of order and peace of mind. Now that our base is set, let's move on to the heart of our suitcase. This is where the magic of mindful packing truly shines. Think about your travel itinerary and the order in which you'll need your clothes. Items you'll use the least, like pajamas or special occasion wear, go at the very bottom. Next, layer in your everyday clothes, shirts, pants, dresses, placing them one on top of the other. This layering technique not only keeps things organized, but also prevents items from shifting during transit. As you add each garment, take a moment to appreciate its purpose and how it contributes to your travel experience. Visualize yourself effortlessly selecting the perfect outfit each day, knowing exactly where to find it. This mindful approach transforms packing from a chore into a meditative experience. Just as we cherish our belongings, we must also protect our essentials, our wallet, credit cards, and cash. These items deserve a special place where they are both accessible and secure. Instead of placing your wallet in an outer pocket, choose an inner pocket of your bag, closer to your body. This not only makes it more difficult for potential pickpockets, but also provides a sense of security, knowing that your essentials are close at hand. Consider using a dedicated travel wallet with RFID blocking technology for added protection against electronic theft. As you place these items in their designated spot, visualize them being safe and protected, allowing you to travel with peace of mind. And there you have it, a carry-on suitcase packed with intention and care, ready to accompany you on your adventures. Remember, packing light is about more than just minimizing baggage. It's about maximizing experiences. If you enjoyed these travel hacks, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this. By subscribing, you become part of our community of mindful travelers, sharing tips and inspiration for creating joyful and fulfilling journeys. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's spread the joy of mindful packing and inspire others to travel light and experience more.